Where and how to meet ladies. Number one, meeting ladies is not a logistical problem. It's an attitude problem. It's an attitude problem. Don't turn the chat off just yet. Vaibhav, मेरे को एक question है. I want to ask you guys, where do you all go every day? रोज कहाँ आना जाना होता है आपका? आप कॉलेज जाते हो, काम पे जाते हो, ऑफिस, जिम, ऑफिस, क्लब, ऑफिस, कॉलेज, जिम, ऑफिस, कोचिंग, बेंचो कहीं ना कहीं रोज जाते हो ना? वहां होती हैं कि नहीं लड़कियां? होती है ना वहां लड़कियां? मेजॉरिटी तुम जहां भी जाते हो, मैं कह रहा हूं तुम जिम जाने के लिए जिम की पार्किंग में भी जाते हो, तुम ऑफिस जाने के लिए अपने डीएलएफ के स्पेस में भी जाते हो, तुम रेस्टोरेंट जाते हो तो रेस्टोरेंट की भी पार्किंग एरिया, दुनिया भर की जहां की जगह होती है कि नहीं होती है? Majority log, why are they failing when it comes to meeting women? Because they think this world that I'm surrounded by, I shouldn't talk to this world. I should only talk to people that, like, my friends have introduced me to. I met on Tinder, I met on Instagram. Yeah, the same guy who will not talk to this woman sitting next to him in the public transport will DM random girls, ab tum meri ho jao, show bobs. The fucking same guy, bro. That is why I insist that largely meeting women is not a logistical problem. 50% of the population of humans is women. It's largely an attitude problem. You don't think these women should be spoken to because you're doing something wrong. Is it okay to talk to strangers in small city? This is a question that will come up in your mind throughout this segment. Ask yourself, the guys who do meet ladies in your city, how do they meet ladies? I'll answer this question, Sandeepan. Better batata hu. Say in case it doesn't work like that for you. Say you don't meet quality women, your age women, whatever kind of women you're interested in your surroundings. There is something called social funnels. This I will teach you if I ever do a workshop on networking. This I'll teach you if I ever teach you how to make friends instantly. Social funnels is the way to go. I create social funnels. I basically now live across Bombay, Delhi, New York, at least 3 cities. Asim and the rest of the team are in Bombay. My family is in Delhi. And I live in New York for 6 months. I will soon start visiting California as much. Right? And in fact, at this given moment in my life, I think India mein kahin pe bhi and the rest of the world, all major cities, I can have a friend group in 3 days. Wait, hold up. Oh, one sec. I just moved this. Thank you, Vaibhav. Thank you. Within 3 days, I can have a new friend group because social funneling. And social funneling is very simple. Jazz, will see this happen right now on the 4th of July. This is how you do social funneling. Okay. So say I go to London. In London, I can think of 3 people off the top of my head that I kind of know. Okay. I'll text those guys, be like, hey, you down to meet? I'll meet those guys. I'll meet those guys Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll tell them, all of them, Friday ko mere ghar pe dinner hai. Come and bring a friend. I'm trying to meet new people. They'll bring 3 more people. How many people is that? 6. These 6 people, I say 2 weeks later, we'll do X. We'll go watch a movie and get drinks. Bring your friends. Each of them will bring 1 or 2 friends. Within minutes and within 2 weeks, I have access to 100 people already. Because these people know people. They'll invite me to other things. They'll invite me to yoga class. They'll invite me to painting class. They'll invite me to this. They'll invite me to that. It is so simple. You can have a friend group like this. Join a hobby group. If I move to Austin, Texas, where I know nobody right now, maybe one guy I met very long ago, jisse abhi koi rishta nahi hai, I'll go to a yoga class. I'll meet the people in yoga class afterwards. I'll be like, this was stressful, right? Like, wow, that's heavy. And I'm Indian. And I'll have a conversation. I'll be like, what are you guys doing this weekend? Yeah, I just moved here. I would love to hang out. Peter David, it takes a little while. Don't worry. You have to be okay with rejection. It takes a little while. But you just keep repeating this. And eventually you'll have access to hundreds of people, bro. Bro, you will get the recording. Guys, you will get the recording. मेरे को please chat off चाहिए यार. I cannot focus. I learned this actually very early on in my New York sort of life. There was this one guy, bro, who I just got an invite from Kirat. Kirat, I've been on a few podcasts with. Kirat's like, Prakhar, I'm going for a dinner. You want to come? I was like, sure, let's go. I go there. Turns out it's a dinner where this fucking guy, bro, he invites his friends and asks them to bring one friend only and think about which friend to bring. And then they get into like structured conversation. And I was like, bro, खाना खाते हुए ये structured बातें तो मत करो, ठीक है? मेरा धंधा है structured बातें करना. I do this all the time on the internet while I'm eating. Thank you so much. But I met all these interesting folks there, bro. Not only that, I threw a party the other day because I met one Indian fucker who's a TikTok guy in New York. One guy, bro. And he got his entire like content creation friends, everybody who's millions of followers deep on TikTok to my house. Suddenly I have this huge access pool of all TikTokers. Bro, likewise, I met this one guy a few days ago who's an anonymous Twitter guy. Anonymous, but a lot of accounts, okay? Or a lot of followers. He introduced me to a whole range of guys you see on Twitter daily who are anons, who this guy knows. And I now suddenly know all of them. All of them are suddenly like, let's get a beer. It's as simple as that, bro. You just meet one guy, you're like, what are you doing this weekend? And like, you need something to offer. So in my case, what I have to offer is I have a good house. It's a big enough house to host people. 4th of July is going to happen at my place because 4th of July, they do firecrackers and it's going to happen right outside my window. So this is going to be a hot spot. I can invite people. Then I have now content and distribution. And so people like that. That helps. But for you, you still have good vibes, good energy. We discuss social maps. Ek video mein we discuss the social map of people. You still have the best thing to give to people, which is happiness, which is like passion, bro. Encouragement. Create social funnels. But either way, you need opening mastery. You need to be able to open a conversation stat. Social funnel or heat map. You could meet her in college, or you could meet her in a social situation. You need to be able to open that conversation. And how do you open a conversation? Guys, you'll repeat after me in your rooms. तुम अकेले बैठे हो अपने कमरे में, मैं बोलूंगा, repeat करना है. Jazz, तेरे को भी. Number 1, get in front of her. Get in front of her. Say this. Get in front of her. Get in front of her. Oh my God, get in front of her, bro. You are not doing yourself a favor. वहां कोने से उसको झांक के देख के. Get in front of her. Have proper body language and eye contact. What is a proper body language and eye contact? Body language should communicate purpose, which means I'm here to talk to you. So I'm walking towards you, na? I'm not dilling-dalling. Purposeful body language. I'm sitting here talking to you, gents. And my eye contact should be direct. I'm looking at you in the eye. This need not be said, but bro, I understand the nervousness us guys feel in this situation. That is why I'm repeating it. Get in front of her, have proper body language and eye contact. Then use a pre-opener. And a pre-opener does something very simple. It just gathers attention. Hi, excuse me is a pre-opener. Yo, one sec is a pre-opener. Hello is a pre-opener. A pre-opener is just any way to get people's attention. The reason why I'm saying pre-opener separately is because क्या होता है ना, जैसे मैं न्यूयॉर्क में घूमता हूं तो लोगों के कान में एयरपॉड्स लगे होते हैं. वहां पे मैं नहीं बोल सकता क्योंकि उसके कान में एयरपॉड्स हैं. तो वहां प्री-ओपनर होता है, फिर वो कान से निकालते हैं. Then you start your conversation. Anything that gets people's attention is a pre-opener. Then you use an opener. I'll teach you what an opener is. We will in fact build an opener for each one of you right now, so you can use it anytime. And then if suppose तुमने pre-open, hi, excuse me, my name is this, तुमने open करा, and the person's like, wait, आप कौन हो? Then you use something called a false time constraint. Just 2 seconds. Oh, I was just walking, 1 minute. You add this fake time constraint कि मैं तो जा ही रहा हूं, so that the other person relaxes. Because even if it is normal to meet people in the wild, you're not really meeting people in the wild. Women are not like particularly comfortable. उनको नहीं पता ना dangerous कौन है कौन नहीं है. They don't know if you're a creep or not. They don't know if you're weird or not. So sometimes you have to add a false time constraint. 1 second. Hi, excuse me, 1 second. कभी तुमने देखा है जो सड़क पे लोग सेल्स के लिए रोकते हैं? उन अच्छे से नहीं करते, पर उनको करना ये चाहिए. Why? Excuse me, 1 second. Hi. 1 second, 2 seconds. Oh, 1 minute, I'll be done. False time constraint. And then what you do through opening a conversation is try to get to a hook point. A hook point is when you open a conversation, the other person's kind of startled and realizes a conversation is open. और तब से लेके अगले 1 मिनट तक वो थोड़ा ना सेटल इन हो रहा होता है इंसान कि ये क्या रैंडम कॉन्वर्सेशन है. और फिर एक पॉइंट आता है जिसको हम कहते हैं हुक पॉइंट, जहां पे वो समझ जाता है कि भाई ये नॉर्मल बात है, दिस इज अ कॉन्वर्सेशन नाउ, दिस इज नॉर्मल, एंड दे स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग टू यू एज अ पर्सन. The opening part starts from the pre-opener and ends at the hook point. You go from having no conversation to reaching a point where a conversation is going to happen. And this is the format of an opener. You use a pre-opener. Hi, excuse me. You start with an opener compliment. And the reason I say compliment is not, "Arey, aap kitni sundar ho." Not compliment. Not direct compliment. Compliment in the sense something positive that they cannot say no to. You look super interesting doing this. I think you know what you're doing here. Anything. क्योंकि कौन बोलेगा no, I'm an idiot? कोई नहीं बोलेगा ना. It's a very solid foot in the door because you've opened with a positive statement they cannot say no to. I'll give you examples soon. And then you say, what are you here to do? I'm here to just say hi. I just wanted to say hello. I just wanted to make sure. La. Hi, my name is Prakhar. Simple. Pre-opener, opener, what am I here to do? Introduction. Now you are going to craft your own. I'm going to relay the situation. Chat on karna, Vaibhav. You're going to craft your own opener right now. And you're going to give it on the mic, Jazz. I'm going to make sure. Chat open karo. Yahan tak baat samajh mein aa rahi hai? मजा आ रहा है यहां तक? ये फॉर्मेट अपने अपने दिमाग में समझ लो. ओपनर कॉम्प्लीमेंट फिर से देख, अभी ना निकल के आएंगे ऋषभ, जब मैं भी एग्जांपल्स दिखाऊंगा ना, अपने आप निकल के आएंगे लोगों के. द फॉर्मेट इज दिस गाइस. प्री ओपनर इज हाय एक्सक्यूज मी. हाय, तुम कॉलेज में हो, ठीक है, हाय एक्सक्यूज मी, सामने गए हाय एक्सक्यूज मी. ओपनर कॉम्प्लीमेंट, यार यू लुक लाइक यू आर हैविंग सो मच फन वॉकिंग बाय योरसेल्फ. I just wanted to walk with someone too because I did not want to feel lonely. My name is Prakhar. Simple. Pre-opener, opener, what am I here to do, and introduction. समझ में आई बात? Awkward नहीं हो जाएगा? क्यों हो जाए ना awkward थोड़ा सा, क्या दिक्कत है? Awkward हो जाने का मतलब ये थोड़ी है नहीं चल रहा. थोड़ा सा awkward होगा bro, in fact. थोड़ा सा awkward हमेशा होगा. और उसी में fun है bro. तुम ये भी तो देखो ना bro, when you're trying to interact with a woman's looking for a strong guy. Can you, as a strong guy, hold the awkward frame for a second? We'll talk about it in just a minute, what to do when shit gets awkward. We'll talk about creepy also, don't worry, bro. We'll talk about creepy also, trust me. Don't worry. The situation. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to throw in a situation. And you're going to come up with an opener using this format. Now, the one thing I want you to try and do is use the situation in your opener compliment. Try and co-opt the context into your statement. It makes things more real. Okay? So, this is the situation. You are in college and she's laughing, looking at her phone. Use the situation in your opener. The formula is niche. I'm going to start reading out people's responses. Is the corporate scenario okay to approach women? Don't do it, bro. बहुत complication होती है workplace में. Don't do it. Hey, I'm Bhavesh. Nice to meet you. How are you doing today? नहीं, bro. You see the formula here. Hey, nice earrings you have. Was just roaming around, so thought I should say hi. Okay, the problem with this, Harsh, is one, it has nothing to do with the context of this situation. Two, it sounds a little weird कि मैं यहाँ घूम रहा था और मैंने hi बोल दिया. और उसका earring से क्या लेना देना है? So it is not to say this opener will not work, but it will work less. The chances of this working are less. क्योंकि ये congruent नहीं है. तेरी पहली statement दूसरी statement से मेल नहीं खा रही. The opener has nothing to do with the compliment. So the what am I here to do? And it has nothing to do in general with the situation. So let us look at one more. Oh, I'll move the camera window a little, bro. Sorry. I'll move the camera window. One sec. छोटा कर देता हूँ थोड़ा कैमरा. ठीक है, हाँ, सॉरी, रुको मेरे को चैट देखने दो. Hey, fun, is it something we can laugh together about? Okay, laugh together about is a solid attempt. The problem with laugh together here, my friend, 1 second. The problem with laugh together is it's a little invasive. It's not a bad idea. You are getting close. You are coming up with something that will begin to work. You must be having so much fun. Okay, not bad. I would go be like, hey, you look like you're having so much fun. Are those the dank ass memes that they have on the internet these days? I just wanted to come say hi, right? That is where I would go. But let's see. Hi, excuse me. You look like you look like you were looking at something funny. I just wanted to know what it is. Hi, my name is Karan. See, another thing. Try and make your opener not be so asky. I just want to know what it is. Try to make it not this takey. याद है हमने sharing की बात करी थी. Think sharing. Think that mindset. I'm here to share. I'm not here to take. Hey, hi, looks like that meme is kind of funny. Can you show me that? Can you show me that is again taking? Rephrase, can you show me that in a V way, in a sharing way? Hey, are you watching Puneet Superstar 2? I like to watch it along with people. Do you mind? No, bro, it is too apologetic. Do you mind? I like to watch it with too apologetic. Assume, yo, you look like you like watching Puneet Superstar. I love Puneet Superstar 2. I just want to say hi, my name is Prakhar. Less apologetic. और मैं मांग भी नहीं रहा कुछ साथ में देखें. मैं सिर्फ हाय बोल रहा हूं. Yo, you're watching that Puneet character, right? ओए तू पुनीत देख रही है. हिंदी में भी चलेगा ब्रो. अपने कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बनाना ये. Use your context. Don't try to necessarily force English. अगर तुम्हारा हिंदी चलता है हिंदी चलाओ. रुको 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 मेरे को देखने दो. और बहुत सारे. Hey, look like you're having fun in your phone. My phone is pretty boring these days. By the way, my name is Nilesh. What do you mean your phone is boring? The problem with this opener is it'll at least get the conversation started, but she'll be like, what do you mean your phone is boring? What do you mean your phone is boring? Hey, you look like you're having fun alone. Already creepy. What do you mean fun alone? देखो bro, creepy के बारे में अभी हम बात करेंगे. Creepy का issue सिर्फ इतना है. When what you say my intention is not matching up to what it looks like your intention is, you're creepy. So your intention here is to have fun together, like you're saying, Arpit. Right? But you're like, oh, अकेली बैठी हो. वो बोलेगी bro, कुछ गलत है क्या अकेले बैठने में? So using words like alone, etc., they trigger this sort of anxiety response in people when they don't know you. Hey, excuse me. It seems like you like dark humor. What are you laughing at? Funnily enough, this will work. Funnily enough, this will work. Because you go up to somebody, you're like, you look like you like dark humor. What are you laughing at? If you're able to carry that, तू ना dark humor वाली लगती है मेरे को. क्या हंस रही है? बता ना क्या कौन सा मीम है? मेरे को भी दिखा. मेरे मीम्स तो बेकार हैं आजकल. मेरे मीम्स तो बेकार यार. इतने गंदे मीम्स आते हैं. सिर्फ अशान अली दिखता है मीम्स पे. दामाद जी होगी ना कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू. अब 2-3 चीजें याद रखना. बहुत आस्की ना हो. अच्छा, योर स्माइल इज वेरी क्यूट ब्रो. हम ना कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स वाले पार्ट पे आएंगे जहां हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स कैसे देते हैं उस बारे में बात करेंगे. कितना जेनरिक कॉम्प्लीमेंट है बहनचोद. योर स्माइल इज क्यूट. हर लड़का उसको ये बोलता है. तुम्हारी हंसी देख के ना उसको भी पता है फेक कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. नहीं रिस्पॉन्ड करेगी योर स्माइल इज क्यूट पे. नहीं रिस्पॉन्ड करेगी. बोलेगी 26 लड़के बोल चुके हैं सुबह से ही. Hi, you look like you're having a great time staring at your phone. देख जैसे अब इसमें क्या है. Dharnisht, hi, it looks like you're having a great time staring at your phone. If you add a little bit more of like, जैसे पापा डांटते हैं ना, हाँ फोन देख रहा है. Hey, you look like you're having a great time staring at your phone. It works a lot better, but it's a good opener. Who is making you laugh so much? What kind of memes do you like? Good, I like it. I also want to laugh. देख अब I also want to laugh. मैं वैसे नहीं हंसता. वैसे मेरी हंसी नहीं निकलती. देखो तुम प्रोजेक्ट कैसे कर रहे हो. इससे बढ़िया तो सिंपल बोल देते. आई जस्ट वांट टू से हेलो. आई वांट टू चेक आउट सम ऑफ दोस मीम्स. समझ में आ रहा है अभी तक? हे एक्सक्यूज मी, आई फाइंड योर स्माइल कंटेजियस. आई जस्ट वांट टू से हाय, माय नेम इज ऐश. दिस विल वर्क. दिस विल वर्क. बिकॉज योर स्माइल इज क्यूट से योर स्माइल इज कंटेजियस तक के फर्क में ना जेन्युइननेस आ जाती है. क्योंकि सोच के बोला ना भाई. कॉपी नहीं करा किसी का कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Hey, excuse me, I'm looking for stories for my next film and you seemed interesting. By the way, my name is Aniket. Works. तुमने context borrow नहीं किया. इसी को पता है अनिकेत में कैसे क्राफ्ट करता है. Hey, by the way, hey, excuse me, I'm doing this film where I'm supposed to interview weird girls who laugh at weird memes sitting in weird spots. This is for a school project. Do you mind if I interview for a second? My name is this. And I would have just done a mock interview. This is how I would have molded it. Wow, इतनी जोर की हंसी, कुछ तो बहुत ही फनी चल रहा है. What's up with that? If you're able to carry this, Shivang, अगर तुम अपने इसको frame carry कर सकते हो ना, इतनी क्या funny बात है, मेरे को ही बता. You will see that they will respond to you in that frame. So this can work. It just has to be executed properly. Okay, guys, 107 attempts. Okay. Hey, you look like a good conversationalist. I just want to see how you say things. I am khush. Bro, you can't ask her to prove herself instantly. अगर तू 6 फुट 2 jacked और ऐसा लग रहा होता ना कि तू मतलब बिल्कुल ही प्रीमियम लड़का है, तो you can probably pull this off. But if you're asking her to prove she's a good conversationalist, she's going to be like, who are you? But I think we have an example here somewhere. Simple. हाँ यार, तेरे मीम तो बड़े फनी लग रहे हैं, मेरे को भी दिखा. And I know the first question in your mind is going to be, is that not going to make things awkward? Well, yeah, a little bit. A little bit. But if you hold yourself together, थोड़ी देर में वो awkwardness खत्म हो जाएगी. Smith. Okay. Pause. We'll move on to the next situation. Next situation. यहाँ तक have you followed? Because these attempts are infinite. मेरे को भी दिखा, थोड़ा weird हो जाएगा. Not really. It could be. हो सकता है तुम्हें थोड़ा pause लेना पड़े, हो सकता है context पे depend करता है. अगर तुम एक चलती बस में ये करने वाले हो, जहां बहुत लोग देख सकते हैं इस चीज को, तो weird होगा. College में I'm assuming she's kind of by herself. And मैं यहाँ पे अभी like, यार तेरे memes थोड़े funny लग रहे हैं. I would wait. She'd be like, haha. She would respond, be like, मेरे को भी दिखा. And then I would say, मेरे को भी दिखा, after a little bit of a pause. There is a way in which almost all lines are executable. In all honesty, not that I'm encouraging you to do this, you could walk into a situation, be like, chop, hasna nahi, and you could actually make it work too. Like, I'm not encouraging you move with that frame. The point is, तुम conversation start करना कहीं से भी हो सकती है. Bro, यहाँ हंसने पे टैक्स लगा हुआ है, हंसना अलाउड नहीं है. हंस नहीं सकते यहाँ पे. मोदी जी आ जाएंगे, मोदी जी टैक्स ले लेंगे. हैं तेरे पास पैसे? हैं? फिर मेरे को देने पड़ेंगे. तेरा नाम क्या है? पहले नाम बता, फिर तेरे. And you can start the conversation like this also. Start करने को, everything you sent will work. It really depends on can you follow through with it. Just don't look like you are coming from a place of where you are not the king. Don't come from a place where you're trying to take. Just be careful about that. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Group वाले point पे भी आऊंगा, Smith. There is a group वाला point also. शांत रखो. When I come to the Q&A, ask me questions. Situation 2. You were in a mall and she's looking intently at dresses. मिलेगी यार पीपीटी यार, क्वेश्चन आंसर का वेट तो कर लो. Bhavesh says, hey, I found you sensational and I want to grab a cup of coffee with you. Bro, it's a little bit too extreme. देख, चल सकता है, ठीक है, लेकिन तूने ना यहाँ पे सारे पत्ते खोल दिए. अब अगर तेरे पत्ते अच्छे हैं तो चलेगा भाई, नहीं तो नहीं भी चलेगा. चल सकता है ये बहुत डायरेक्ट अप्रोच है, बिल्कुल ही अपफ्रंट और मुंह पे अप्रोच है. समझ रहा है? तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि थोड़ा एस्केलेट धीमे धीमे करके चलते हैं. यही प्रॉब्लम है, लड़के पहले मन बना लेते हैं, मेरे को तो ये पसंद है, अब मैं इसे इंप्रेस करके आऊंगा. एज अपोज टू मैं भी देखता हूं ना कि ये एक्चुअली मेरे साथ जमेगी कि नहीं. अगर तुम इस माइंडसेट से जाओगे तो सेंसेशनल नहीं है ना भाई. Not saying that this does not work. I remember a distinct moment where I made something like this work. एक मेरी पार्टी ही थी, मेरे घर पे ही पार्टी थी last year, before, I think last year, late 2021 में, and there was this supermodel, bro, just insanely good looking woman I met, और मैं surprised था. I was like, ये यहाँ क्या कर रही है इतनी, like, so I walk up to her, I'm like, listen, I'm pretty drunk right now, but tomorrow I'm going to ask you out on a date. तेरा number क्या है? And I got her number, but it did not work any further from there, क्योंकि कोई interaction नहीं थी. Now we are kind of friends. Now, like, we hang out. Now it is no problem. But so a very direct opener like that can work. It just depends on whether you're able to carry it. Hey, just saw you checking out these dresses. I think the purple dress will look good on you. Oh, damn, that's a great choice. I hope you don't mind if I give you my suggestion. Itna apologetic, Vicky. Why are you so apologetic? If you're going to give her a suggestion, own it. तू चलता फिरता opinion giving machine है. Then own it, bro. Oh, I hope you don't mind. Of course, then she minds, bro. Now, Shivam said, I saw you checking those dresses out. I think the purple dress will look good on you. The problem with this is, bro, it's not a problem. A little bit, maybe she'll be like, bro, who are you? Why are you giving me advice? She doesn't know you. What I would do is instead flip it. Hey, you seem like you know your fashion. Which of these t-shirts would look better on me? And ask her for opinion on my kapde, na? It just makes it so much simpler. Because the reason I left this example is because this is exactly what I need to teach you here. Don't get too invasive. तुम उसके कपड़ों की बात करनी शुरू कर रहे हो, ब्रो. कपड़ों से क्या निकल के आता है? सोचो. What does her mind? Where does her mind go to? He's thinking what clothes I should wear. बीच में क्या होता है? कपड़े change. That's creepy already. Alone. These words. This is what influences creepiness. So think of a more neutral sort of. Where is the bathroom is a decent opener. That's why I put this example in, because here the lesson to teach you is not to get too invasive. Yes, Pratham, that's a good one. Hey, I think you have a good eye for clothes. Can you tell me if this looks nice? Hey, I'm quite confused about these two shirts. Which one looks good on me? By the way, my name is Prakhar, right? Good. Hey, that dress looks good. So Ritesh says, hey, that dress looks good. Good choice. Are you in fashion or something? I would just add one more thing here. Hey, that dress looks good. I have such a hard time shopping for my sister. Are you in fashion or something? So I've given almost this one more reason why I was thinking about her dress. Because मेरे को अपनी बहन के लिए समझ नहीं आता है. Right? So it's just a small little touch that will make it better. So, hey, just found your fashion choices outstanding. I want you to help me in selecting dresses. Think about this. Bhavesh ने example दिया है. तूने उसको एक ड्रेस को देखते हुए देखा 3 सेकंड. You think her fashion choices are outstanding. This is what I mean. Men walk in like हम तो convinced हैं. हम convinced हैं भैया ये दीदी हमारे लिए perfect है. कितना hyperlative compliment है. You understand the problem there? Do you see how to not make the conversation seem forced? Bro, why is that a problem? Why is that a problem? When you're starting a conversation, it'll look a little awkward. Have you ever seen uncles do this, by the way? Uncles do this all the time, na, where they start random conversations. Like if you're ever in like a taxi and your papa is talking to the taxi wala. Kahan se ho? He'll tell you, wo taxi wala bolega, Bhilai se ho. Cha, Bhilai. And then your father is going to bring out a link into Bhilai. और फिर वो वहां से कॉन्वर्सेशन कहां कैस्केड कर जाएगी. Bhavesh says, I'm a little sort of aggressive person. How to be normal? नहीं, bro, that is not the concern. Just, bro, I'm telling you, this is not going to come to you day one. The whole purpose of this exercise is to get you to start thinking in this direction. Relax. This will take a while. Once you get there, it'll be smooth as hell, bro. Right? First few times, bro, I have embarrassed myself, bro. I've embarrassed myself so poorly trying to meet women randomly कि मैं बता भी नहीं सकता, bro. But I don't think about it. They don't think about it. Things have moved on and I'm better for it. So it takes a little bit of a practice. Don't worry. Okay, so the lesson here is not to be invasive and be bakchod. Bakchod मतलब bro थोड़ा free रहना होता है. इतना seriously नहीं ले सकते किसी भी interaction को. We'll come to that in just a second. We'll come to that in just a second on what to talk about. But yeah, मतलब बहुत invasive नहीं हो सकते. The lesson here is not to be very invasive. So a good example that I use here is, hi, I feel like you know your fashion. What color do you think would look better on me? Pink or black? And I just hold 2 pink or black shirts. Right? And then she'll be like, I think pink. You were that kind, huh? You think pink would look better on me? Man, I'm sick of this political correctness. And she just laugh. Hi, my name is Prakhar, by the way. Oh, I'm from Faridabad. And just have a conversation. Hindi mein, bro, excuse me. Hi, excuse me. यार मेरे को ना, actually, sorry मैं तेरे को disturb कर रहा हूँ. मेरे ना पापा का बर्थडे है रात को. मेरे को एक urgent t-shirt खरीदनी है. और मेरे को ना समझ नहीं आ रहा कलर. Can you just help me out 1 second? And then just have the same conversation. कितना natural है ये conversation. Can we lie about the part of sisters? Bro, don't think of it as much as lying as think of it as coming up with the slightest excuse to begin a conversation. The issue is, bro, women get bombarded by men throughout the day, non-stop. If not directly, they know they're being looked at. So women are hyper aware to situations कि कोई मतलब bad element तो नहीं है मेरे आसपास. So if you add this simple small justification so that she feels relaxed and she knows you're a normal human being in the first second, that's not lying. You're not lying to her. Later you can say, "Arey yaar, the sister wala thing was a makeup. I just thought you were so cute. I wanted to say hi." And at this point, you've reached the hook point. You've gone further. Bolegi, okay, I understand. Like this is, I've thoda bolegi, acha, and you'll be like, you play along and then it'll be normal. Because bro, it's like, suppose तुम किसी मेले में हो और तुम खो गए हो और तुम्हें डर लग रहा है आसपास और मैं आके बोलूं दिक्कत मतलब मैं तेरा दोस्त हूं, मैं उसी शहर से हूं जिस शहर से तू है, जिससे तू शायद ठंडा हो जाता कि हम बात करके तेरे को मैं पहुंचा दूंगा. वो झूठ नहीं है ना ब्रो. आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग श्योर यू आर ऑल राइट. Okay, situation 3. You're at a party and she just left her friends to get a drink. This should be easy. Party में है bro, party में सबका mood क्या रहता है? High रहता है ना, खुश रहते हैं सब लोग. तो एक अच्छा example सोचो. Bro, this is PS ने एक बहुत अच्छा है. Hey, I'm kind of new around here. Do you think the store has any good line of style for men? This will work. This will work. थोड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट ज्यादा मांग रहा है तो उससे कि भाई मेरे को कोई लाइन बता, मतलब कहाँ पे अच्छे मिलेंगे कपड़े. But this will work, bro. This will work. If you do it earnestly, this will work. Viren, hi. I'd appreciate if you could take a picture of this long sleeve polo I've tried on. I'd like to view it from a lateral angle. हाँ, nobody would say no to that, bro. Picture खींचने के मामले में. But picture से अगला step थोड़ा complicated हो सकता है. But otherwise, a good opener. Most girls come to clothing stores with their boyfriends. Is it still worth opening them, bro? You don't know anything about men or what? No man ever wants to go shopping with their woman. Like एक डेढ़ बार चला जाता है आदमी, फिर कहता है भाई नहीं, क्योंकि औरतों का चूजिंग प्रोसेस और मर्दों का चूजिंग प्रोसेस बहुत अलग होता है ब्रो. मर्द चूज करता है ब्लैक, यस, खत्म, डन. For a woman, bro, it's and this is coming from a guy. I used to date a stylist, bro. Oh my God, fuck. Nobody should be put through that. Like, she was a wonderful person, but she took hours to choose shit. I would never. Nah, bro. Girls are never in malls with their boyfriends, bro. You'd be surprised. Sometimes, yeah, no doubt, no doubt. Mostly no. Mostly no. Hey, you seem like great fun. Hi, I'm Smaran. Basic, simple, can work, not bad. Hey, tu pakki sharaban lagti hai. What are you having? Whoa, okay, once. This can work if you have the proper tonality behind it. If she knows you're not trying to insult her, but just to like have fun, this will work. Or sharaban, this might work. You need to have a very Punjabi frame for it, in all honesty. Yo, Karan says, yo, that black dress makes you stand out in the whole club. It's a good direct opener. Chances are this will work to some degree, at least a thank you. But then he's like, you came here alone. And she's already like, bro, isne alone word bol diya, bro. Ye kya, matlab. Don't ask that, na, bro. Wo baad mein bata degi. Be like, who are you here with later on? Alone is a trigger word, bro, for a girl. Because India mein, she's always scared, especially in spots like Delhi. She's always scared. Don't use the word alone like this. See, Smith says, hey, which drink are you getting? I'd like to have the same one. This makes you feel like you don't make your own choices. तू उसको जानता भी नहीं है, bro. तू same drink ले रहा है. Right? I will elaborate on the workplace thing in just a bit. Hey, we didn't get to meet yet. I'm Rohit. Not bad. Not bad. Because the party mein premise already exists. You need to meet everybody. So what are we drinking? Not bad. You can open with that. Hey, what drink are you holding? Too much drink holding examples. I would go with a very simple one. I think, hi, you're the best looking female at the party. I just wanted to say hi. Even like as direct as that, you just need to carry that. Be like, yo, you look fucking fantastic, you know? Or you look like, the example I'd asked Vaibhav to add here was, you look like you're having the most amount of fun here. Frankly, you look like you're having the most fun. What's your name? And nobody can say no to the fact that they're having most fun. So look, Vicky says, hey, pretty girl, you're breaking a lot of hearts. What's your name? Too like cheesy, bro. Too Bollywood. Too Bollywood. Not normal. Not grounded. Not contextual. Not situational. Too Bollywood. Oh, pretty woman. लगता है तुम आज बहुत दिल तोड़ रही हो. No. Too romantic. Too cheesy. You don't know her enough. So, okay, a note on buying drinks. Pop culture has made it seem like buying drinks is normal. Bro, you buy drinks for people you care about. So, agar you start having a conversation and 20 minutes into it, you're like, you want a drink? She's like, yes. And then you buy her, it's okay. But if you say, hey, let me buy you a drink, most women, particularly in India, particularly urban women, उनके दिमाग में आएगा, drink मैं अपने लिए खरीद लूंगी, ठीक है? मेरे को तेरे से बात नहीं करनी. Because it seems like you are using the drink as leverage to chat with her. Okay, so get the chat going regardless, and then 20 minutes later, if you introduce a drink, fine. Don't start with, can I buy you a drink? Start with normal chats. Bro, a good one is, girls, when they go to parties, bro, they spend time looking well. If you compliment her choice of shoe or earrings in a party, bro, one, she'll be like, he notices this stuff. Two, nobody, guys will look at her dress. Guys will look at her. You look nice. Your dress looks nice. Shoes and guys, unless you're gay, you're never really talking about a girl's shoes. Hey, classy choice of shoes. What are they? Jimmy Choos. And you start a conversation there. You look like a connoisseur of fucking female shoes, bro. You look like you know shit about female shoes. You know what kind of guys know shit about female shoes? What do you prefer, Old Monk or Red Label? It can work, bro. Depends on what context this is in. Isn't that putting the woman on a pedestal at the start? Not really, bro. Shoes ही तो अच्छे हैं. ये थोड़ी कह रहा हूँ कि तू Queen Elizabeth है. Giving a compliment's not bad, bro. If you can back it up with, I just hand out compliments attitude. If you're chill, I just say it. It's okay. It's when you say a compliment and it looks like you don't normally give compliments that she's like, bro, ये तो अभी से लट्टू है. How about what you're drinking? Let me taste. If you're able to carry it, if you're able to make it work like you're drinking, the odds are, bro, too invasive. She doesn't know you yet. For her to let you have the drink, maybe, I suppose this party is your best friend's birthday party and she's a friend of your friend. In which case this will work. Because there is enough premise. Yeah, recording मिल जाएगी. What if she says, खाओगे क्या, when you say something on shoes? Be like, नहीं, अब मैं non-veg नहीं खाता यार, बहुत time से. Like, this is a classic shit test. You just, shit test में भी हमारा पूरा segment है. But if she's like, खाओगे क्या, बोल, खिलाएगी क्या? खिलाएगी तो बोल, देख, अब तूने बोल दिया है, अब मेरा मन हो गया है. समझ रहा है? और उसको फिर बकचोदी में ले जाना है. That's the point. No opener is perfect. It all involves a set of consequences. Can you deal with the consequences? जो ये डर है ना, largely, what if she talks back in like this very rude way? Fear of rejection. ले rejection, big deal. ले rejection. In any case, without rejection, you're not going to learn. Big deal. खाओगे क्या, खिलाएगी क्या? Big deal. Awkward. I said something weird. I said something cringe. I embarrassed myself. Big deal. Get in that zone. वरना सीखोगे कैसे? Approaching groups. यहां तक सबको मजा आ गया. यहां तक सबको मजा आ गया एक्सरसाइज में. Did you learn something new? अभी तक मजा आ रहा है? W in the chat if you're having fun. Bro, let me say this. 4 घंटे में तो तुम परफेक्ट होने भी नहीं वाले. तुम सारी थ्योरी में तुम्हें 16 घंटे की भी दे दूंगा, तुम परफेक्ट नहीं होने वाले. तुम परफेक्ट तभी होगे ब्रो जब तुम आंख बंद करके करना शुरू करोगे. और मेरे को ये बात इसलिए पता है क्योंकि तुम पहले इंसान नहीं हो जिसको मैं सिखा रहा हूँ. The first public speaking thing I ever did after school, college was a dating workshop. If you go to my Instagram, you'll see there is a highlight. This is back in 2018. I've been doing this for a very long time. This was the first thing I started teaching people. My friends, my close friends, I've taught this to. And I know the resistance. The resistance is going to be doing it. So the shit you're learning here, make sure you do it. Bro, if she insults and you don't know a response to that insult, say, sorry, yaar. I was just, I'm going to show you there is some stuff on this too. But be like, sorry, yaar, tu itni cute, I just had to say hello. And then chale jao. Big deal. But face that insult. You will also realize, bro, 1 in 50 girls will insult you back. और उसका मूड उस दिन बहुत खराब होगा. वरना औरत भी भाई कोई ऐसी मतलब बेदर्द ऐसी तो नहीं होती ना. सब नहीं करने वाले. पीएस जो तेरा अभी जो तूने लाइन जो तूने लाइन बोली है ना, ये थोड़ी लंबी है, चल सकती है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट यू आर इन. थोड़ी लंबी लाइन है और थोड़ी मतलब डीप रेफरेंस है. शिवांग भारद्वाज लाइक बड़ी बेशरम है, ऐसे कौन बोलता है? While laughing, I think that generally works. हाँ, you can actually like if she insults, ऐसे कौन बोलता है यार? ऐसे तो कोई नहीं बोलता. You can actually make that work in certain ways. In fact, we'll come to it. Okay. Does every woman shit test? We'll come to shit test too. Bhai, I'm actually an uptight person. If I showed my carefree nature, it will come as push hard and I can't carry it after first date. It will not be authentic. Bro, like I said in the very beginning of this entire seminar, I want you to co-opt this to your personality. In general, though, I will say this, the more carefree you are, the better you do in the man-to-woman environment. Diljit Dosanjh will always do better than any other rapper, singer I know in terms of women. Any day. Usko English bhi seekhne ki zarurat nahi hai, bro. When I look at Diljit, I can tell for a fact he does very well with women. Not just in the sense of like, oh, pata leta hai, but women in general like him more than they like other people his standard. By a mile, bro. Because वो इतना लूज है ना ब्रो अपनी एग्जिस्टेंस में. वो इतना केयरफ्री है ना, जैसे वो चलता है और बात करता है. और लड़कियों को स्मार्टेस्ट लड़के नहीं चाहिए ब्रो. उसको एक नॉन जजमेंटल वेल टू डू आदमी चाहिए. और वो दिलजीत बहुत है. वो खुद ही को जज नहीं करता. नहीं आती मेरे को इंग्लिश. Same, I will say this about Munawar. Every time I look at Munawar just operating now, I can tell the guy is smooth as hell. Munawar does better, in my view, and I don't know enough about the inner circles of comedians. I think he does better than any comic in terms of interactions in a man-to-woman environment. क्योंकि वो lose है bro, वो chill है. हाँ? Kapil Sharma, Jayas कह रहा है Kapil Sharma. Now I don't know English now. What to do? What to do? Yeah, my upbringing is bad. Nahi bro. I don't think, like, no offense to, I know some of these fellows like Zakir Samay, I know these fellows, so I'm not trying to make a comment on them, but I think you can observe how loose Munawar is by just looking at him. Pete Davidson might be a good example of this. Okay, what do you do when you are meeting women in a group? Because this is going to happen a lot. There is going to be groups. Good women do not come alone. They always come in groups. And you don't know what to do in groups. Chat mute, whoever. Chat mute. What do you do in a group? The first thing you do is match the energy. एक group की inner और outer circle की एक boundary होती है, उस boundary को वो energy कहते हैं. उनकी अपनी बकचोदी चलती है. बस ब्रो ब्रेक आने वाला है अनुष्का. उसको वो क्या कहते हैं? उसको वो कहते हैं एनर्जी. अब क्या है, तुम एक पार्टी में हो, सब ग्रुप की अपनी एनर्जी है. तुम किसी और ग्रुप में अपनी एनर्जी लेके जाओ, बहुत मुश्किल से काम करता है. शुरू में तुम्हें उनकी एनर्जी के साथ खेलना होता है. यू मैच देयर एनर्जी. You give this particular woman a little extra attention. So you go in with the energy, and when you introduce yourself to the group, hi, my name is Prakhar. What's your name? Hi, my name is Prakhar. What's your name? By the time I end up at the girl that I want to say hi to, I'll be like, nice sweater. I'll give her that slight little extra attention, which makes it completely clear why I'm here. You say, you're the cutest in this group, aren't you? And then you move on to the next one. Hi, my name is Prakhar. Slight more attention to her, everybody knows. The thing with women, bro, is that even if women want sex, they don't want to be easy. That's the worst thing about a woman. She doesn't want to appear as easy to you or to her friends. She wants safe, non-judgmental sex and relationship. But she doesn't want to be seen as being easy. This is a deep emotional root. And bro, for women, reputation's a lot. क्योंकि औरतों को ऑप्रेस करने के लिए तुम्हें फिजिकल मींस की जरूरत नहीं है, उनकी रेपुटेशन खराब कर दो बहुत है. मर्दों में भी, बट औरतों में स्पेशली. So it's not like in front of everybody you are like, अब तुम मेरी हो जाओ, जैसे रणबीर कपूर does in वो Rockstar. मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड बनेगी क्या? When he goes to Nargis, she gets so angry because she's like, what do you think you're doing in front of my friends? You're embarrassing me by even asking me that question. And then later on, when they're by themselves, she can be more normal about it. So the next step is you isolate her, and you don't isolate her like, oh, chal, I'm going to take you somewhere. Add an activity. Yaar, I was going to go have momos. Come with me, no? Yaar, मैं जरा गाड़ी से कुछ लेके आ रहा हूँ. आना एक minute. Depends on what that circumstance is and where you are at, what the context is. Use that context. Sometimes I even don't add an activity and I wait. Automatically, थोड़ी देर में isolation आ जाएगा. Guys will go here and there. Somebody will go get drinks. Somebody will have to go get something else. In a little second, isolation is going to occur. Until then, I'm going to hang out with their friends, make friends with their friends, make them feel like I'm a cool dude. And then when the isolation happens, I'm going to be able to talk more directly. Sorry, I just thought you were a little cute. That's when I will say that. When she's more by herself. So she's not put in a spot. Look, strong women can deal with the pressure of people around them judging them. But why would you want to put her in that spot, especially when you don't know her enough? And then own your feelings. Own your feelings. It's completely natural to be attracted to a woman. What is the big deal? Why would you judge yourself? Like, yaar, hello to aage bolna tha yaar, itni cute hai tu. Big deal. This is why slightly dumber guys do better at meeting women than smart guys. Because smart guys are like, so much in their head. Dumber guys like, अरे भाई पसंद है, hello बोल जाके. If you follow this, everything else is the same. Then you follow exactly what we've discussed up until. How to not be creepy. The simple answer of creepiness is if what you say your intention is, जैसे हमने बोला ना, pre-opener, opener, what am I here to do? And what your actual intention is different. Look at Rajpal Yadav looking at this. मैं इसका नाम भूल गया इस actress का, अगर किसी को याद हो तो. She's a South Indian actress, I think. Look at him looking at her. Is this a comfortable position? What is the vibe? Rajpal is staring at her in this weird way. This is creepy to her because she's like, "Tu mera dost banne nahi aaya, you the way you're looking at me." Creepy is when your expressed intent and your realized intent don't match. If your expressed intent is, I find you interesting, I'm here to check out if we can be friends, if we can be more than, friends, if we can go out on a date, and you own that, she'll be fine. That's not creepy. That's the difference between how smooth, rizzy, charisma-full, like how good guys are able to carry the same thing that bad guys are not able to. Because they own their shit. They'll be able to use the same pickup line and it'll work. They'll be able to say the same stuff and it'll pass. Because their expressed intent and their realized intent is not different. Do's and don'ts. Do's, get in front of her. Have a good eye contact. Have purposeful body language. Project your voice. Don't speak like this. Project it. Throw it out. Hey, what's up? Not, hey, what's up? Kamzor nahi lagna awaaz se. Yo, what's up? Always think when you're talking to people at large, project your voice. Throw your last syllable. क्या चाहिए? हाँ. देख रहे हो ना, आवाज बाहर जा रही है. फिक रही है आवाज तुम्हारे ऊपर. Be non-judgmental about yourself, bro. कितनी नेचुरल बात है यार, तुम्हें औरतें पसंद है. अननेचुरल तो वो चोदू है जो तुम पे हंसते हैं, तुम्हें औरतें पसंद है, और फिर बाद में जाके क्या बोलते हैं, देखा तूने उसकी वो फोटो. That's unnatural, bro. That's disgusting. That's creepy. Don't be that guy. Be the guy that owns his sexual feelings. Don't teach shame to your kids about sexuality. Be fine with it, bro. You are made this way. You have balls. Who are we hiding from? God accepted sex. Law accepts sex. Society does sex. Who are we hiding from? Why are we so ashamed of talking about this shit? Be open to her reaction. Don't get defensive. This is one of the other things. Whatever her reaction is. Defensive ho gaya to haar gaye. Accept it. She says, no, okay, yaar, I was going to say hi anyway, no problem. And use what you've got. Improvise. Borrow the context. Don't appear needy. Don't I molest her. देखो ये look देख लो. Don't do that, bro. In the back of your head, don't imagine things when you look at her. Because that तुम्हारी आंखें अपने आप I molest zone में चली जाएंगी. Don't be fidgety. I know instinct होगी fidgety होने की, मेरी भी होती है. Relax. Remind yourself, relax. Get used to this. Don't feel ashamed of yourself. Don't feel like you're doing something wrong here, bro. You're doing the most natural thing. And don't get aggressive. Got it? Q&A and break. We'll take 17 minutes and we'll come back. The next segment is what to say. Q&A on कर दो. Chat on कर दो. किसी को question है? तेरे को कोई सवाल? सोच. ठीक है. Vicky says, how do you deal with the PTSD of losing your father at a young age and you're unable to express the emotions and not seeing the love between father and mother during childhood? Bro, complicated सवाल है. I think यहाँ पे थोड़ा medical तेरे को अगर एक थोड़ा situation मिले ना, because childhood की situations they always have a larger impact. So instead of asking this question to me, I think asking this question at large to a medicine expert, to a psychologist will be helpful. मैं समझ सकता हूँ, bro. Not simple. How not to make her think चेप क्यों हो रहा है? मैंने false time constraint की बात ऐड करी थी ना. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि भाई hook point नहीं reach हो रहा, तो चले जाओ, छोड़ दो, नहीं हो रहे चेप. तब तक कोशिश करो. चेप की मैं वही ना, मैं उसके दिमाग से क्यों सोच रहा हूं? मैं उसके why don't I give myself a fair shot? Why am I so convinced to look at myself from her eyes? How do I apply all of this into my current relationship? Bro, you have a girlfriend and you're here. What do you do? भाई इसकी girlfriend को phone लगा के बताओ भाई. You don't need to apply a lot of this into your relationship, bro, because you already opened a conversation. But the mindset segment is going to help you. What can we reply to a rejection or a harsh no? Bro, one of the simplest things is, sorry, yaar, I was just, I had to do it. You're cute. I just had to say hello. I'm be out. Bye. Nikal ja. Khatam. Just own it. समझ सकता हूँ मैं how to close में ना, when you ask her out on a date and she has a hard no, I have lines I use there that sort of work, dark art stuff. But largely it's best to accept and move on. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Focus on the process. हाँ. माइक पे. अच्छा बोल. 4 लड़कियां फिर. हाँ. हाँ. So जैज का क्वेश्चन ये है, ये 4 लड़कियां एक पार्टी में, जैज उनके पास जाता है, उनमें से एक से कहता है बियर पॉन्ग खेलने चले, शी इज लाइक नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. द प्रॉब्लम देयर इज नॉट योर आस्क, द प्रॉब्लम इज यू हैवंट डन एनी कन्वर्सेशन. 4 पे कोई नॉर्मल से कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया उसको स्पेशल. उसके बाद थोड़ी देर बात करी, नहीं करी. अच्छा, एंड शी इज लाइक नो. तो खत्म फिर ना ब्रो. तू मतलब देख अभी क्या है, द डिफरेंस इज तू उसको कह रहा है मैं बियर पॉन्ग खेलना चाहता हूँ. मैं समझ गया. राइट. तो अगर सोच के देख, सपोज दे वर नॉट गर्ल्स, सपोज दे वर गाइज, एंड यू गो टू 4 guys एंड यू लाइक बियर पॉन्ग खेलेगा मेरे साथ, एंड द गाइज लाइक ना, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू बी लाइक, ठीक है तू खेलेगा बगल वाले से ना. सो इफ योर इंटेंट इज टू प्ले बियर पॉन्ग, लुक फॉर अ बियर पॉन्ग पार्टनर, बिकॉज ब्रो she does not want to play beer pong. It's as simple as that. There's no magic you're going to work there. Be natural about it. You ask the next one. In fact, that's going to make her say yes more likely, because you just literally move to her friend and be like, tu khelegi. Yeah. Become more natural about this stuff. That's what I'm trying to teach you. Here my attempt is to take nervous boys and not make them nervous anymore. Actually, like them as a boys makes it so easy. Okay, wait one sec. I'm showing the previous slide, bro. Do's and don'ts dekh lo. Expand on fidgetiness, bro. Just now, there is this instinct to sort of hide your nervousness. That's what I want you to avoid. कोई stranger girl को isolate कर सकते हैं क्या? if it's a completely strange group ना bro, let natural isolation occur. से तुम लोग किसी पार्टी वार्टी में हो, तुम बिल्कुल भी नहीं जानते इसको, इट्स नॉट लाइक तुम कॉलेज में हो सेम जहां प्रेमिस एग्जिस्ट करता है, then just wait, in eventually there will be isolation. Or you know, in the same group what happens is, say Jazz, ek bar idhar aa, say suppose Jazz is standing next to me, say Jazz is the girl, right, and I speak to everybody else, eventually I'm speaking to Jazz, and then I speak in this volume only that Jazz can hear, and I look at Jazz only, and then hoga kya, ek private conversation thodi bahut shuru ho jayegi, and then I can say, yo, let's go to the rooftop, let's go to the balcony, and then you can have that isolation. So I just start a private conversation in a group. How to be playful when your personality is serious, bro. Your personality is not serious. You just haven't learned how to access the playful part of your personality. Reframe. Mindset problem. I will be judged for not being good at this by my friend social group. Will get around. I will lose all my existing friends. No, bro. Look, bro, I'll tell you something. If your existing friends are going to judge you for this, they're fucking weak. They're weak, bro. They are stopping you from exercising your natural like expression. They're not your friends, bro. They're basically pussies. And they will use you to not feel bad about themselves. You will look them in the eye, be like, bro, son, I'm going to give it a shot. If this does not go well with you, don't hang out with me. Get more natural about your life. Get more steady. Get more abundant about your life. How to approach women at gym if we should, because everybody could be in a different mood there. Yeah, don't approach women in gyms and offices. In a gym, bro, a woman is already very afraid of being seen like that because she's working out between men. I would generally avoid. I do it like if I had to. So suppose if there's somebody in the gym, right? I'd either wait to see them in the parking at some day, or I'd find abundance, bro. Hazaron ladkiyan hain, bro. Classroom is fine. Classroom is fine. Kya ho gaya? Big deal. The real question is now she's going to see me every day. Good. Good, bro. Good. That will get you off your I'm so special zone more than anything else. Good. Bro, I was unafraid. Class, no class, don't give a shit. Bro, the fact of the matter is she's not thinking about you this much, and she's probably rejecting 10 dudes like you every day. Her DMs are full of dudes she's rejecting. As long as you don't appear dangerous, good. Can you explain vocal tonality, the vocal tonality part, the projection part? The projection part is very simple, bro. In fact, tonality wise, I'll tell you two things here. One, speak about your passions, because when you speak about your passions, you automatically have tone there. We'll cover it in just one more second. Two, project your voice. What's up? Hey, yo, what's up? As opposed to, hey. How to break the pre-existing belief women have about you, bro? Most likely they don't have any belief about you. They don't care about you, bro. Explain eye contact and signals. We'll come to it, bro. Dark arts ke liye W. Just like Sallu bhai said, plenty of fish in the sea. Bro, जिम और ऑफिस ही तो जाते हैं, और कहाँ जाए बात करने ब्रो? अगर तू जिम और ऑफिस दोनों जगह जा रहा है तो तू बार्स भी जा, क्योंकि ब्रो मैं यार तू मतलब समझ रहा है, ऑफिस में ना एचआर वाली कॉम्प्लिकेशन होती है, और जिम में यार a woman's hyper conscious, bro. No matter what gym, I'm telling this to you as a fact. Women are hyper conscious in the gym. Like, the only time I've spoken to women in gyms that have gone successfully is while walking out. Khatam ho gaya workout. Good workout today? That's where I'll start. And then I'll lead the conversation. Yesterday, there was a girl beside me when I was waiting at a shop, and I saw a picture of a one-eyed dog on Twitter. Is showing that pic a good opener? ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई बुरा ओपनर है, मतलब थोड़ा अजीब है. ये देख, एक आंख वाला कुत्ता. बोलेगी क्या क्या मैं दुकान पे बिस्किट लेने आई हूँ, ये क्या दिखा रहा है मेरे को. थिंक ऑफ समथिंग बेटर. थिंक ऑफ समथिंग बेटर. देख, पता है उससे बेटर क्या है? इसी चीज को यूज करना है एक ओपनर में. हे, तूने कभी एक बहुत अजीब कुत्ता देखा है? बोलेगी क्या? एक बहुत अजीब कुत्ता. मैंने भी एक बहुत अजीब कुत्ता देखा. कैसा कुत्ता? एक आंख वाला. मैंने भी देखा भाई वो एक आंख वाला कुत्ता. है सही में? दिखाऊं तेरे को? बोलेगी दिखा. ठीक है, क्योंकि इतनी बात करने के बाद चल छोड़, तू वियर्ड आउट हो जाएगी, छोड़. व्हाट इज योर नेम? और फिर कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट वापस. समझ रहा है? इंस्टेड ऑफ शोइंग, आई हैव यूज्ड इट एज अ प्रॉप इन द कॉन्वर्सेशन. डज दैट मेक सेंस? How to deal when girl is open but her friends are aggressive. This is a real problem, bro. There is a relationship that only exists between women where a very attractive woman will be surrounded by less attractive females, and the less attractive females will guard her access to men so that they don't feel bad about themselves. This is a very symbiotic relationship where the hot girl pulls men to the group, and the other girls do the hot girl's bidding. I know this happens. This is common. But don't worry, bro. Give everybody. Hum naturally khelenge. We are not going to do dark arts nonsense, pickup artist shit. What you do is you give attention to all her friends. You make them think that you're a good guy, and you are. You're a cool fucking guy. You're a nice guy, bro. You're a good, strong, confident individual who knows what he's up to. Give that vibe, communicate that vibe to her friends, and they will let you do, your chatting with their friends. यहाँ तक मजा आ रहा है? समझ आ रहा है यहाँ पे? चीप और मीन होने से कैसे बचें एज अ कॉन्वर्सेशन प्रिंसिपल? किस सेंस में? एक्सप्लेन. Best places to meet women apart from clubs and bars? It depends on what city you're in, bro. Look, the best way to meet somebody is through someone. So social funnels help tremendously in this process. Because वहां पे तुम्हें ना from scratch नहीं start करना होता. There is a pre-existing premise. There is an existing interaction. You are this person's friend, so they trust you, right? But hobby groups are good, bro. Book clubs are great. Like any kinds of interest-based spaces are great for this. Great for this.